their family home and build their own homes. Take care, my big blew away the house made of straw and sticks. The first little pig ran for its life and hid himself with the second little pig in the house made of wood. Poof! It blew away the house made of wood. The terrified two little pigs ran to save their lives and hid themselves with the third little pig in the house made of brick and mortar. Soon, the big bad wolf was at the doorsteps of the third little pig. The house made of brick and mortar was strong enough to withstand the blows. The big bad wolf climbed up the rooftop and tried to sneak into the house from the chimney. The third little pig was clever enough to figure this out. He soon lit the fireplace, and the flames from the chimney burnt the wolf badly. The wolf howled and cried in pain and ran out of the house.
I don't want to be back here again. Somebody save me.
So the three little pigs got rid of the big bad wolf and lived happily and peacefully